Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Dear students, let us do today's thought. What is the thought of the day? Education is a jewel that cannot decay. Education is a jewel that cannot decay. जो हमारी विद्या है, हमारी पढ़ाई है, इसका कभी भी ये नुकसान नहीं होता, ना ये कभी भी नष्ट होती है. Education is a jewel that cannot decay. Dear students, in last video we have learned the concept of more or few, greater than, lesser than, bigger and smaller numbers. Now let us do exercises in book on page number 52. See, open this book, page number 52. Here is a concept of more or fewer. Sophia has more gifts than Clover. Clover has fewer gifts. We have to tick the objects that is fewer in each row. We will count the number, then we will come to know which is fewer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we have to tick here. This is a fewer, and here we have to count the gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means we have to tick here. It is a fewer. See, here are birds in the nest. 1, 2, 3. Here is only 1. It means we will tick the one bird. It is fewer. And this page will be done by you. Here the librarian has more books. We have to tick the objects that is fewer in each row. Okay, it will be done by you. The next is on page number 54, concept of big or small. Judy is a small. Chief Bogo is big, and we have to tick the one that is big in each row. Which is big? Now we have to see that it is big. In this row, which is a big? This is a big. And in this page, Nick sells popsicles to small lemmings. Okay, and you have to circle the one that is small in each row. How you have to do it? It will be done by you as we have done this page. Now in this page, bigger or smaller number. Children, as right now I have showed you the bigger, this is bigger and this is smaller, or you can say this is smaller. And let us see. Moina has 1 fish. Mo has 6 fishes. Moi has bigger number of fishes than Moina. Now see, 6 is greater than 1, or 1 is greater than 6. And we have to see, count the object that and write their numbers. We have to count the objects and we have to write their number. First let us see that here 6 is greater than 1 and 1 is less than 6. And it means same we will do in this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will put here numbers. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to see which symbol we have to put here. We will put here symbol as dinosaur's mouth. Okay. Now in this figure, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will put here number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which symbol we will put here? We will put here symbol like this. Again 7 is greater than 4. 4 is less. Now let us count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now children, which symbol we will put here? We will put here symbol of less than. Now dinosaur is going to take these 8 flowers. He will not take 4 flowers because 4 is less than 8. Now this page number 57 will be done by you. This is also concept of bigger or smaller number. Okay. Now again page number 58. Bigger, smaller or equal number. Now let us do it. Count the shells and write their numbers. First we have to count the shells and then we will write the numbers. Again put the symbol greater or lesser to show the bigger or smaller number. Put the symbol equal to show the equal numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Which symbol we will put here? We will put here symbol like this. Now here 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 shells. Which symbol we will put? We will put here symbol of lesser than because 2 is lesser than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these shells, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very interesting. Now, both numbers are same. We will put here equal to. This symbol is showing us equal numbers. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very interesting. Funny game. Now see 8. This is also 8. Both are same. Then we have to put this symbol. Now on this page children, count and circle. It is very easy. You will do yourself. Draw circles as per the number and circle the shell with smaller number in each group. Children see, you have to do it yourself. Here number is written 3 and you will draw 3 shells. Here you will draw 7 shells. Okay. After that you will draw circles as per the number and circle the shell with smaller number. You have to circle the smaller number, right? Now let us see page number 60. Here Moana collects different shells in 3 boxes. Box C has the least means come. Least means come number of shells. The smallest number is 3. And what we have to do? We have to tick the smallest number in each row. First we will count, then we will tick the smallest number in each row. It will be done by you. Okay. Again on page number 61 children. Page number 61 and page number 62 will also be done by you because you know how to count the numbers, then what you have to do, on page number 62, first you will read biggest number. Biggest means सबसे बड़ा number, and you have to tick the biggest number. 4, 8, 5. Which number is 8? Which number is biggest? 8 is biggest, and we will tick 8. And same here, you will count the numbers. After that, you will tick the biggest number. Dear students, now I hope that every concept is clear to you. You have to do yourself because you are very good in counting, and after doing this work, you will send me your pages. The student, those have no books, I will send them pages, right? You can do in your notebooks. Now bye bye. Enjoy your day. Thank you.